Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 23, Nutrition in Animals. In this worksheet we will learn about taste buds which are present on the tongue and function of tongue. Rahul was taking his breakfast prepared by his mother. उसकी मदर ने जो ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया था, Rahul was eating that breakfast. Suddenly he ate a piece of bitter gourd and shouted due to bitterness. उसके मुंह में क्या आ गया बच्चों? A piece of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd क्या होता है? करेला. And he shouted due to bitterness. Have you ever felt it? क्या आपने भी कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है बच्चों? आपने कभी ना कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जरूर किया होगा. So we will discuss about tongue. Tongue क्या होती है? Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of buccal cavity, and it is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. क्या होता है? Tongue क्या है? It is fleshy muscular organ attached at the back side में बकल कैविटी पर के फ्लोर पर अटैच्ड रहती है और फ्रंट साइड में ये फ्री रहती है एंड कैन बी मूव्ड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. नाउ व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ टंग? बिसाइड टॉकिंग मीन्स टंग इज हेल्प इन टॉकिंग. बिसाइड टॉकिंग our tongue has some other functions too. First one is it mixes saliva with the food during chewing and helps in swallowing food. ये क्या करती है? It helps in mixing saliva with food during chewing. जब हम भोजन को च्यू करते हैं, चबाते हैं, तो help in mixing saliva with food. Saliva क्या होता है? What do you mean by saliva? It is a digestive juice which is secreted by the salivary glands which are present in our buccal cavity. And also our tongue helps in swallowing food. Second, it has taste buds. क्या होते हैं इसके ऊपर? Taste buds that detect different taste of food. क्या पता चलता है इनसे हमें? Different types of taste of food. Here the picture is given to you. With the help of this picture, we can find out the position of the taste buds on the tongue. Tongue पर अलग अलग एरिया में क्या है? Position of more number of taste buds are present. So first or front area of the tongue which detect sweet taste, and these area find out which taste salty, and this area find out sour taste, खट्टा टेस्ट पता करते हैं. and in the back side of the tongue this area find out or detect bitter taste. Now there are 4 pictures given to you. In these pictures different taste buds are clearly visible. By the help of these pictures we can find out the area of tongue which detect sweet, sour, salty and bitter taste. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks in the first question. The tongue is dash muscular and dash attached at the back of the floor of dash. So you have to fill 3 blanks. First one is the tongue is you have to write fleshy. Fleshy muscular, in this fill in the blank. organ. You have to write organ attached at the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. So you have to write buccal cavity. बैक में कहाँ अटैच रहती है ये? buccal cavity के बैक साइड में. Second, identify the part of tongue which tastes sweet or bitter. Identify the part of tongue. You have to draw the picture of tongue and identify the part of tongue. So you have to draw the picture, this one. You have to draw this picture. In this area shows the sweet taste and bitter taste. You have to draw this picture and back side of the tongue or this part of the tongue shows more taste buds for the bitter taste. Next question. Imagine there is no tongue in our mouth. How do you feel the change? अगर आपके माउथ में टंग प्रेजेंट नहीं होती तो आपको कैसा फील होता? तो बच्चों ये आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से यू हैव टू राइट योरसेल्फ द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. यू कैन राइट or we can write in answer of this question, we will feel problem in speaking or talking, and also we will feel problem in swallowing food. And you can also write about something different from this, or can you imagine or can you feel taste without tongue? Think about it and complete the answer. Thanks for watching.